Yo, hello, welcome. On our 707 week, we're going to introduce you to some neighborhoods around the beach. Here we go. Glen Cove. Glen Cove has a very rich history around here, dating back to around 3,500 years ago. Turns out, it used to be a ceremonial burial ground for the Indians and local tribes around the area, which holds a deep cultural and spiritual significance. The shell mounds they found had ceremonial tools, artifacts, human remains. And in 1980, around the 80s, Glen Cove was actually developed. Around 1999, the city planned to convert the area into a public park, which caused very strong opposition from the native groups in the area. They staged a protest, which they occupied the site for around 110 days. They came to a conclusion, and they built a smaller park. So the 15-acre Glen Cove waterfront, it was dedicated in 1983, which still, to today has a bunch of trails, picnic areas, which also connect regional trails, the San Francisco Bay Trail, things of that nature. Today, a lot of people would say Glen Cove is a pretty peaceful, quiet neighborhood. We got the views, the trails, pickleball. When I grew up, it was new, so it's kind of like the rich area. So my memories consist of a lot of trick-or-treating, going to catch the newts over there, going to Glen Cove Elementary School to play football, basketball, whatever. But this is Glen Cove area Vallejo, so enjoy. Come check it out. Have a good day.